Don't get shot out of the back like that other guy did.
Is the car locked?
I locked it, yeah.
Unlock it. I'm stuck in the back.
Oh, okay.
We go up here a little ways, and yeah.
Their problem is over there. Not very hospitable. I like the sad, lonely pedestrian. A very nice guy.
Holy shit.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
You need a ride?
I'm gonna ride to Pleasant Valley.
Pleasant Valley, is that what you said?
Pleasant Valley, yeah.
Hang on a sec, I gotta unlock it.
Alright.
I'm new to this driving thing, so bear with me here. Which way's Pleasant Valley?
Not towards me.
Is it like...
I don't know, I just go with you guys. I just want to get the fuck out of here.
I got a place for you. Hang on. I'm gonna drop off in the prison riot. Get in, the back.
Alright, I'm in.
Listen, there's a truck stop up ahead. I'm gonna take you down there. There's a lot of like friendlies down there. You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. I'm probably gonna die, but thanks.
Now they're pretty cool. I'm gonna pull up and you just jump right out,
pull
alright?
Up. Pull up, stop, I don't get shot and drive off.
Alright, bro, this is your stop. Hop out. Good luck.
Thank you, bro. Oh, fuck. Real friendly, huh?
Hold up, unlock it real quick.
You need a better angle? I can turn.
No, I've got one. One dude's down.
Oh, you got a guy? Shit.